Welcome back. You're watching the sixth match in the 2021 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores going into the final round are Emmanuel Christian Academy on 17 points and Padmore Primary on 11 points. And it's now time for the final section, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or if they answer before they are identified. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the Guardian Achiever clock. Teams, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Padmore?
Floyd Green.
Correct. Sports. Hasley Crawford is an Olympic gold medalist from which Caribbean country? That would be Hasley Crawford. Trinidad and Tobago. Bible knowledge. What did the wise men follow to find the location? Padmore.
The stars.
Location of baby Jesus. Correct. Science. What is the name given to the tubes throughout the body that carry blood? Padmore.
Blood vessels.
Correct. English language. What is the superlative of little? Padmore.
Littlest.
Incorrect. Least. Music. To which family of instruments does the drum belong? Emmanuel.
Percussion.
Percussion.
Correct. General knowledge. What is the largest desert in the world? Emmanuel.
Sahara.
Sahara Desert.
Correct. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress. Madison Pettis. Mathematics. What is the result of the product of 65 and a 7, which is then divided by 5? '91. Social studies. In what year did the Emancipation Act come into effect in Jamaica and other British colonies? Padmore.
1834.
1834.
Correct. Television. Who voices the role of SpongeBob in the hit cartoon series SpongeBob SquarePants? Tom Kenny. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. NBA star James Harden. Bible knowledge. What was the name of Abraham's second wife?
Keturah.
Correct. Science. To which group of vertebrate animals do lizards and snakes belong? Padmore.
Reptiles.
Correct. English language. Spell the word camouflage. Padmore.
Camouflage.
Correct. Music. In which American girl band group was Beyoncé
Destiny's Child.
Destiny's Child.
an original member? Correct. General knowledge. In what year was the University of the West Indies established? '48. Local affairs. On what date did Jamaicans vote in the 2020 general elections? September 3rd. Mathematics. What is the LCM of 5 and 20? Emmanuel, Christian Academy.
20.
20.
Correct. Social studies. What instrument is used to measure wind direction? Padmore.
Wind vane.
Correct. Bible knowledge. Which two men were involved in a battle in the valley of Elah, which resulted in the death of one by a stone from a sling? Emmanuel.
David and Goliath.
Correct. And that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now have Emmanuel Christian Academy on 25 and Padmore Primary on 27 points. So congratulations to Padmore Primary and a very good game played by Emmanuel Christian Academy. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.